Welcome to the Horizontal Waterfalls. We're just sitting in the middle of the first gap here, and this gap here is about 24 metres wide and about 45 metres deep at the top of the tide. So these particular tidal rapids are known as tidal pinch rapids, and you can see why. You've got very narrow entrances where the water tries to force through with the big tides and force through two narrow gaps. So the water here can be running 10 knots on the top of the tide and fairly well roaring through. Basically what happens, you've got a huge bay outside with a big tide roaring in. Only a certain amount of water can come through at a time. So you get a difference in height. As it builds on the outside, only a certain amount can come through at any one time. So the height of the water here is actually higher than the inside with an incoming tide. So on this particular gap, you wind up with a 2.5 to 3 metre drop on the big tides with an incoming tide, and around about the same with an outgoing tide.